Hello and welcome to my workshop. Today's video is targeted at those who want to learn how to repair laptops, like one of these. It takes quite a lot to find and fix the problems that this machine faces, and every level of training will determine what kind of fault you can fix. It's like a video game. The more you play, the better you get. So let's press start. Let's talk about the training models. Every training provider has its own categorization of training, but these are my training models. The first one is a basic or entry-level training, the second being the intermediate training, and the third being the board level or chip level repair. The entry level of training involves a lot. It includes identification of computer hardware components such as RAM, not this RAM, but this RAM, hard drives, Wi-Fi cards, disassembling and reassembling of laptops, and software installation, hardware installation, and a whole lot. The next level of repair is known as board level repair or chip level repair. This involves learning how to fix motherboard related issues. You will also learn how to identify components such as diodes, capacitors, transistors, microcontrollers, etc. You also learn how to edit BIOS firmwares, how to modify them, and how to program them. You also learn how to read schematic diagrams, board view diagrams, and micro soldering. Don't worry, it's less scary than it looks. Knowing how to do board level repairs comes in handy because with a knowledge like that, you can use a component that costs less than $1 to fix $1,000 machine. Like this gaming machine that died because of a resistor that costs less than $1. So in this case, I guess you are ready to begin. Join me in the next video as we go through all the tools we will need to do all this level of repair. Subscribe to my channel and let's learn together. See you next time.